Are you a developer looking for a fast way to complete your projects? Imagine relying on AI to write complex code, only to realize that your balance is gone within hours. Who hasn't heard of Replit? It's one of the most powerful AI-driven coding platforms, allowing you to write and run code directly from your browser. But with the new Replit AI Agent feature, there's a major issue you need to know about. Otherwise, you might end up spending a lot more money than expected. The problem. When you subscribe to the paid plan, you get $25 per month in the form of storage points, checkpoints. But Replit AI Agent consumes these points extremely fast, sometimes without you even realizing it. Here's a simple scenario. 1. You ask AI Agent to create a button. It writes the code and stores the process. 2. You test the button, but it doesn't work as expected. 3. You ask AI Agent to fix it, and it updates the code while consuming more storage points. After multiple attempts, you realize you've burned through $15 in just a few hours. The solution. Use AI Agent only for major tasks, like API integrations or advanced logic. Use Replit Assistant for smaller tasks. It's much cheaper. Keep an eye on your point usage to avoid running out too quickly. Real example. I asked AI Agent to integrate an API with my website. After execution, my website stopped working. Fixing the issue consumed 30 storage points almost instantly. This means that if you rely on it too much, you might end up paying extra just to complete your project. Conclusion. Replit is an amazing and powerful platform, but you need to use AI Agent wisely so you don't run out of your subscription too fast. Have you used Replit AI Agent before? Share your experience in the comments. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more valuable content. Blast off sparkles!